Hello and welcome to this video, and in this one I'm going to share with you two websites that you can use to upload very beautiful and very high quality photos in your Instagram, and to actually use these photos if you want to create quotes for yourself or your business, whatever you want. So let's just go into it. As you can see here, this is the website is Pixels. As you can see here, the photos that is here is very beautiful. Wow, amazing, and high quality also. And here it says free download, so you can actually download it for free. You can donate it. You can donate to this guy. By the way, some of these photos are charged, so you have to pay for some of these photos, but many of them are free to download. So yes, you can see here it's amazing photos. And for example, you could take this one, you could somehow, change the colors or put filters on it if you want, and then you can create a quote with this picture. So you can maybe make it gray and then create a quote and put it here if you want. So yes, this is the first website, and this is the other website, Pixabay, which also has very good and high quality photos. And you can actually go and search in this one and also in this one here on the top. You can go and search, for example, fitness. And a bunch of photos like this one comes up. Yes, so as you can see, there are different kinds of photos, very good quality, high quality, and you can use them, like also here, free download. You can use them to upload them in your account, and then create more followers, create more engagement, because people love high quality photos, and it actually attracts attention. So just use that. This is a tool for Instagram, and yeah, this is it basically, the whole information, these two websites. So I hope it was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.